What's up, guys? It's Mitchell Losey, and today we're setting up my desk. Alright guys, so I'm back at my parents' house and I got my desk here, as you can see, and now I have to put all of this stuff together into my desk. So I'm going to do a time lapse and then I'll give you a rundown of what's all here and what I wish was here. Alright, here we go. Guys, we got the desk set up. A couple things didn't work out like I wish they would have. This monitor, I know I have an adapter to go HDMI or a DisplayPort to VGA, but I can't find it. I thought it was in my bag of things that I had, but it must be packed away in a box somewhere, so I'm gonna have to find that to get that hooked up. It's just an old monitor someone had that I was able to snag. Also, the LED strips I had is a little finicky to set up, so and since the setup's pretty temporary, I figured I'd wait to set that up until my next desk setup. So look forward to seeing that with some RGBs in that. Sorry I couldn't get it looking super cool in this one, but it's kind of just a basic, simple setup for now to be able to edit on, do some work on, pretty much just to hold me over until we finally get into our apartment. So yeah, let's give you a rundown of what all I got going on here. So I have two of the Alex drawer sets from IKEA, along with a Linman top for the table with two legs because it's not wide enough. In the future, I hope to get the Garmin counter desk to make a long, wide countertop desk going on. But for now, this works out really nice. I got my custom built PC on here that maybe I'll do a review about in the future, what I got going on in that. And then we also got this cart that we got for our wedding. So peripheral wise, I kind of got a crappy monitor setup going on. This is like a 22-inch TV that my parents got me like 5 years ago. It's 1080p, it works for now. And then I picked this monitor up from someone who didn't want it anymore from an old computer. Just need to get the adapter for that. We got the Logitech G810 with custom backlight keys on it. We also have the Logitech G600 mouse. It's really nice. It's got all these customizable buttons on the sides. You can do whatever you want in it. So these two make up those peripherals. Got a SteelSeries mouse pad, and I picked up this wrist pad to make it a little more comfortable to use. I got an Xbox One controller for playing some driving games and things like that. Got the Google Home Mini. Of course, you need that IKEA plant. Not sure what it was called. Also got this lamp from IKEA to provide some light to the desk. And then over here I got my Nintendo Switch set up, some of the case I found for it, and some of the controller accessories with it. So I tried to do my best with cable management. I kind of have a rat's nest under here, but I got the rack from IKEA to hold all the wires. And then these little things came in super handy. They're just some of those cable ties, a roll of cable ties that I picked up at Walmart. So I was able to kind of run everything together and keep it nice and clean underneath to the best I could. But since the setup's pretty temporary, I'm not too worried about it at this point. So yeah, that's my desk setup. In the future, I hope to replace the monitors with maybe like ultra wide or something cool like that, or just a widescreen dual screen setup. But for the most part, I'm pretty happy with it. Scratch that, guys. I found the adapter for this monitor, and I also found this little phone stand that I also have. It's really great for just keeping your phone on next to you on the desk, and it also works as a little controller stand when you're not using it for a phone. So yeah, got it all to work. It's all set up, good to go. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, give me a like. If you didn't, give me a dislike. I don't really care. And comment down below if you have any suggestions for my desk setup in the meantime, with the few things that I have for it. And if you're not subscribed already, get subscribed. And thanks for watching.